Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix mouse scroll wheel if it's going up and down or even jumping. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, as you can see here from our mouse, we have these gaps, okay, besides the scroll wheel. So what you'll do is just basically blow some air right here. Okay, if you have a can of compressed air, blow from the left and blow from the right, and check if it helps. If you don't have a can of compressed air, well, just gotta use your mouth. Blow it right here, blow heavy air right here. Okay, and after that, gotta check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, firmly hold the center of your mouse button, hold it, okay? Again, hold it firmly for about maybe 5 seconds, and then release it. After that, check your scroll wheel. Okay, if that still won't work, go ahead over to your search bar right here and type down mouse settings. Okay, click on mouse settings right here. And then go ahead and find lines to scroll at a time. Okay, make sure the lines to control at the time right here is set to 5 below. Okay, maybe 3 right here is the sweet spot. And also make sure under scrolling direction, down motion scrolls down, not the other way around. Okay, and then once that's done, close this one. And everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. And that is how you fix your mouse scroll wheel going up and down or jumping. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.